Test automation was supposed to help teams move faster, and in the beginning, it usually does. A few hundred tests go live, builds move quickly, feedback comes fast, releases feel smooth and predictable. But then the product grows. The application changes, the test suite gets bigger, more teams get involved, more platforms, more environments, more complexity, and that's when things start to slow down. Regression cycles stretch into hours. Pipelines become unstable. Teams spend more time fixing broken tests than validating software. At some point, developers stop trusting failed builds because they see too much noise. QA teams get buried in maintenance work, and releases start carrying more risk instead of less. The problem is, these bottlenecks don't happen one at a time. Maybe tests still run sequentially, so every pipeline takes forever. Maybe flaky tests fail randomly, and nobody knows whether the issue is real. Maybe environments behave differently, so teams waste hours chasing failures that don't matter. And then there's test data. One test changes something, another test depends on it. And suddenly, parallel execution becomes chaos. So instead of accelerating delivery, automation starts creating friction across the entire process. But here's what's changing now. Modern engineering teams are moving away from the old ideas. The focus today is building intelligent automation ecosystems that can actually scale. That means AI-driven execution, parallel orchestration, risk-based testing, self-healing automation, and complete visibility across the delivery pipeline. Automation is no longer just a QA activity. It's a core part of how enterprises build confidence. And this is where modern platforms are making a huge difference. AI-generated testing helps teams create coverage faster. Self-healing automation reduces the constant maintenance cycle. Parallel cloud execution cuts validation time from hours down to minutes. Unified orchestration brings web, mobile, API, and enterprise testing into one workflow. The impact is bigger than faster testing. Teams spend less time maintaining automation. Developers get faster feedback. Organizations reduce operational overhead. And releases move with more confidence. The teams moving fastest are not just running more tests. They're winning because they've built smarter systems. The future of test automation belongs to organizations that combine intelligence and scalability. Explore the 10 bottlenecks blocking scalable automation and transform QA into a delivery accelerator.
Kairos, one intelligent platform to test your entire stack.